When you are giving the dimension, you have to really to get what is important is the inside dimension. The inside of the formula, it will be what? The outside of the pillar itself. You get it? So the measurement inside is more important. Sometimes we ask you to construct a beam. You know beam. You don't have some.
A beam. Let's say the horizontal, that is the beam. The long wall is the column. And most of you who have worked for contractors, you know beams. So,
It's like if you do then you put concrete, after the beam, you make plastic.
Yeah.
Obey officer.
First, so you have to work minimum 2 years over there. That is number one. Number two, we will provide Qatari Riyal 200 or free food when you are working over there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Probation period. You have to work. The probation period will be 6 months. During this month, if you are not performing well, okay, we are as a management will take the responsibility to refix your cadre. We will make you as a helper or labor if you are not doing good. If you are doing good, whatever the salary we agreed, we will pay. Okay?
Yes.
Accommodation. Company will provide a bachelor sharing accommodation at the labor camp. In a room, 6 people will be.
6 people.
Yeah. And there is a reasonable toilets and everything will be given. How others are treated, the same way we will treat you. Okay? Annual leave. You are eligible for 2 months annual leave after completion of 2 years. Okay? And 42 days payment you will get. You may not get 60 days. You will get 42 days as per the Qatar law. Medical. During your service over there, whatever the medical expenses will be borne by the company. Working hours. Minimum working hours is 8 hours plus 1 hour lunch. So 9 hours. 1 hour lunch, 8 hours. It is same like here. Correct? Everybody knows. So your salary will be fixed for 8 hours. If you work more than 8 hours, you will be given overtime. For a normal day, like Saturday to Thursday is the working day, not the Monday to Saturday. So there is the Friday is the holiday. Okay, that you have in your mind. So when I am talking about holiday means it's only Friday. And there will be some government holiday for Ramzan or New Year, public holidays as per the government, local law. We don't have any separate law. Whatever is this rules it says, we will follow. So those days, we will be paid 1.5 times of basic salary. You got it or not?
Thomas Barik. One na you know,
can explain. Holidays, what will be is
The holidays is after the 2 year. The holidays is Friday.
no, I heard it.
Holidays are Fridays. So the Fridays, if you do any work on that holidays, it's additional hours.
Additional hours.
You will be paid for that. I get it, man.
okay. So you got it? Yes. In daily days, normal days, more than 8 hours will be you will get over.
And additional
Additional.
hours.
Now, for joining from here to Doha, company will provide visa and a ticket. Okay. Before you travel from here, you should be medically fit. Your agency will communicate to us. They will be telling you what is the procedure. The medical certificate should be pakka. Then only we will apply the visa. Okay? Then for going to the site and coming back, so company will provide a transport bus. So you every day morning, the working hours may be 6 o'clock, or 5 o'clock, or 7 o'clock, depends upon the project site. So we cannot predict from here. Maybe in a Ramadan, the working hours will be different. In a summer holiday, there is a gap for 3 hours you will get in the between, because the climate will be more than 50, very hot. So you have to stay inside the roof. So maybe overtime is not mandatory, but if more work, you will get more overtime. If no work, you have to adjust and okay, you have a patience. Okay, you should have a patience to wait for the good overtime. And everybody has to work good. Okay, now you did the test here. Functional interview will be done there. And we will select. Based on some questions, we will select. If you are selected, we will communicate to you the basic salary. How much you will get and what is the local currency conversion. And in case you have resigned within 2 years, before 2 years, whatever company spent, like visa, joining ticket, medical, everything has to go by you. So when you are joining, you should have minimum 2 years working with us. Because we are spending money and taking it. Okay, and you have to come on your own ticket if you are resigned. If you are not resigned, you are continuing with us, after 2 years, we will provide a return ticket. Doha, Accra, Doha. So you can spend 2 months with your family. Sorry?
I can't get to your answer.
If somebody is resigned before 2 years, for example, you have joined, you are resigned before 2 years, before your contract time. So whatever the expense towards visa, medical, air ticket has to be borne by you.
What about if you don't fulfill your promise as you are telling us today?
Sorry?
If you don't fulfill your promise, as you are right now telling us, if you don't fulfill it, what are you going to do?
Why I should not do? I will definitely do. That is the reason I am telling you.
Yes.
Why I should lie?
Why
Why I should lie? Why I should lie? I am going to get any benefits. I am spending my money and coming here for interview.
Now, for instance, you have like to do before. That's all I was asking.
I don't know about that company. If you are good, if you are good worker, that should not be any problem. If you are creating some discipline itinerary, then I am not responsible. Okay. If work is there, work. So we cannot give a special treatment for only for you. Everybody, how all the people have been treated, we have multinational people working with us. Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, North Korean, and Bangladeshi. So all these people are there. So how we are treating them, then they will treat it. Okay, so don't bother about, don't, you throw that bias.
Maybe our color will help you.
What is same? Okay? You are also working, I am also working. Don't feel that. We all are human beings.
And are you going to plan for 10 times a day?
That morning, lunch, and night. Okay? So you you are eligible for 200 Qatari riyal or company will provide that. But in principle, we will try to support whatever is possible. Okay? We cannot bring the 5-star hotel. We know our condition. What is possible, we will definitely do. Then, on arrival in Doha, you have to require to sign one labor contract as per the government. Anybody has worked in the Gulf?
Has anybody working? Have you get any experience from the Gulf or other countries?
No. All are new. So you are signing one, like this is a contract which I am explaining because I don't have time to explain one by one.
Yes,
Okay. So everybody has to understand.
Can you get a copy of this?
You will get. Once you selected, once you accepted to the salary, then you will sign. You will sign, you will put your thumb imprint. So and somebody will witness will sign. Because whatever I am talking, it is local Qatari riyal. Don't confuse with your CD or your dollar. Okay? Whatever the salary I am fixing based on the local Qatari riyal.
And assuming if are you going to let from your friends or you're going to get people from another country before you? Assuming everything goes through, you get our best everything. Are you going to leave from Accra here or you are going to another country before you?
We have only Ghana visa. We are going to take only Ghana. So I am going to be here for 3 days.
That one is just about the ticket, nothing concerns whether you go somewhere or not. The ticket is straight from Ghana.
No transit visitor. No, there is no direct flight.
This shouldn't be the question,
I'm not
please.
talking about transit. I'm not talking about transit. Maybe we are going to stay for Togo for 1 month.
How can that be possible? Gentlemen, don't waste our time. Don't waste our time.
One day or some hours, then you can do that.
For what? For what? You have more doubts. It's good.
So that's all, huh?
Okay. Anything else?
Anything else?
And you have to go through the medical test again in Doha and fingerprint. You have to medically fit. If you medically fit here, medically unfit here, so your agency will arrange a ticket and you will come back. We are not responsible. Clear?
Yeah.
Anything doubt? And if you have any problem with your passport, if Qatar immigration is sending back to you, and we are not working. If any problem, any crime or anything, any problem is there, if they catch you in Doha airport, we cannot do anything. Yeah, we don't have any control. It's immigration. Okay? Based on the passport, and all must be having the police clearance here. Everybody has to submit the police clearance. Police report. Okay? Any doubt anybody is there? Let me know.
So if you are selected, so how many weeks can we wait till our visas are in?
How many?
How many weeks can we wait?
Maybe within 4 weeks time.
4 weeks.
Maybe. I am telling a maximum. 1 month. Maximum. Visa is ready. We'll try to expedite the process. So we have to make arrangement, accommodation, and your travel, all internal facilities has to be done. Anything first. So you have to work minimum 2 years over there. That is number 1. Number 2, we will provide Qatari Riyal 200 or free food when you are working over there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Probation period. You have to work. The probation period will be 6 months. During this month, if you are not performing well, okay, we are as a management will take the responsibility to refix your cadre. We will make you as a helper or labor if you are not doing good. If you are doing good, whatever the salary we agreed, we will pay. Okay?
Yes.
Accommodation. Company will provide a bachelor